Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you the beginner's guide on how to play PUBG on the Android device. PUBG is a online multiplayer battle royale game. Here the game is in loading process. Here you need to choose your region, tap on the drop down menu, choose your region and continue. Now here you need to choose your avatar. You choose your face, your hair, you choose your gender, either male or female on the top left corner. Then you can see the enter nickname on the bottom right corner. You press there and provide a name for yourself. Once you have done that, you go back and tap on create. Now here you choose a set of clothes that you want to use for starting the game. Tap on OK. Tap on OK in here. As this is the first time you're playing PUBG, you will be shown a guidance to how you can play the game. You will be provided few hints how to play the game. Then tap on inventory. Now to equip the clothes, you need to tap on the square box. With that, you will be equipped with that clothes. Tap close to return. You need to tap on start for the new game. Here you can move anywhere before the match starts in 30 seconds. PUBG is a last man standing, about being the last one standing in the game with up to 100 players. You can enter solo or you can play with your friends and team of 2 and duo and make a squad of 4 people. Here you slide the controls for the movement from right left for the direction. You tap on parachute. You can tap on the eye icon to tap and hold and see the surrounding of your place. Once you land on the ground, you can take cover or you can check for the equipment or any kind of gears that can be useful to you. Mainly gears are at any place. You can check out the houses, warehouse or even the garage for the equipments. You will find something certainly. If you find something, you just need to go near to it and it will get automatically picked up. You can see the equipment, you just will automatically pick it up. You can tap on the fire icon, that is the bullet icon on the right side to fire the gun at the enemies. You need to protect yourself when someone fires at you. For that, you need to move your screen in the surrounding, and once you get your target locked, you need to click on the bullet and fire at that person at once, and you need to kill that person. Being aware of your surrounding, if someone is firing at you from a distance, you better run off or try to cover or fight and kill that. You need to always keep searching for the essential and choose what to keep to yourself. Always stay in the safe zone and out of the red zone. Learn PUBG's weird control system. You need to learn every control system of PUBG very carefully. You need to team up with your friends or you can play in duo or in squad of 4. You can also revive each other after being down, so you have a higher chance of survival if you play with your friends in a group. You can check on the map on the top right corner to see the locations. The safe zone is marked by the blue line on the map that slowly constrict, bringing people into smaller area. If you get caught on the wrong side of the blue barrier, your health will gradually drain and you will be dead in no time. Here you tap on events to check for any events or the complete mission of your. Then tap on close. Tap on inventory, tap on the gun to get it equipped and then close. Now tap on the real pass rank to collect your reward. You can tap on collect all at once. These are the rewards that you have received from the previous game. Tap on close. You can tap on start to begin a new game. Here you can tap on the settings on the right side. There you can see the link account option. You can link your account with your Facebook, your Twitter account and others. Below there's graphic. You can change the graphic for the game. Controls. You can customize your controls and your camera controls from here. You can keep making changes and try it out. These are all the options available in these settings. You can go through each one at a time, and you will learn slowly how to make the changes and how you can be good at playing PUBG afterward. I hope this beginner guide on how to play PUBG was useful to you. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification. Thank you.